Kit Volume System. Today in Elgon's testing room, we're running a sample production check. I'll be applying the Volume System Kit on Livia, as she wants texture. Volume System Kit is perfect, gentle, and with honey for conditioning action. As I prepare the hair by using a light shampoo, then towel off excess water. I have to wrap the hair in curlers before saturating with Volume Booster. After leaving for the recommended time, I rinse the product out well, without removing the curlers. Then I repeat the process, applying bond blocker directly to the curls, lathering, then leaving to act for 5 minutes. Lastly, I remove the curlers, massaging strand by strand and rinsing thoroughly again. Then I apply Final Post-treatment Moisturizer. I leave in for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse again. I style with the diffuser. Livia's hair now has full new texture. I can say with confidence that Volume System Kit is great if you want semi-permanent volume. There's no doubt that it meets the 3 Elgon requirements. It's effective, gentle, and safe.